here, and Fluffy here. Welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe and give us a huge thumbs up. Today,
That video?
yeah, Uncle Bill. So, huh? What? So, I'm going to be playing with slime, not Fluffy Jr. Fluffy Jr. is going to be watching us. So, first things first, I'm going to play with my JoJo slime I got for Christmas. If I can even get it out. This one right here. It has bows in it. It's pink. Probably JoJo's two favorite things. And it comes with Bobo, but Bobo's up in my room with my Barbie dolls, and my JoJo doll, I should say, because I have a JoJo doll. And so yeah, this one is like my favorite store-bought slime. You're wondering what that noise is? My cousin is right next to me. Well, not right next to me, across from me, playing the game. So yeah, Uncle Bill. I can see that. So, okay, whatever. So I had this little blue slime I like. I got this like a long time ago. Just starting to put it on and not be a good slime anymore, sadly. I really like the texture. I mean, like the crunch is okay. It's not the best. Okay, the poke. Sorry guys, you can't hear the poke because of him. There we go. If you guys heard that. Now let's do the crunch to my JoJo. Ready? This should be loud. It's amazing. Hallelujah. Okay guys, now it's time for a slime that I have never, ever, well this one isn't store-bought, it's from a store, but then we had to make it. One and only Cloud Slime! So my other video, what is it called? Store-bought slime. You should see this slime, but in blue. So. And if you watch my channel, which you probably should, it is good. Even though you probably think it's not good because, I don't know. But Cloud Slime is amazing. If you guys subscribe, I will give you one of these slimes. Let me go get some of the slimes. I can give you the Cloud Slime if you subscribe. If you comment below Cloud Slime, I'll give you this blue slime if you comment down blue slime. Or I will give you JoJo slime if you comment down JoJo slime. So, I'm going to go get the other slimes you can win, and I'll be right back. Just 1 second, guys. And got the other two slimes. Oops. So let me pick up the. So then I have this. These are not store-bought, if you heard me already. I made these two. Now, this one is kind of sticky. It's purple slime. Has good texture. It feels. This is butter slime, guys. So it's not sticky. But I can hear you. It has Orbeez in it, which they do not melt. Well, I don't know what to call it. There's beads in it, and there's glitter in it. If you want this slime, comment below purple slime. If you want this one, it feels amazing. You guys hear that? And it sounds amazing. And if you don't want the Orbeez, that's alright, because you can take them out. But when you get it, there will be Orbeez. If you don't want any Orbeez, just come back with it. This slime I love. And this is my peppermint slime. I don't know what it's called. But I love this slime. It doesn't look right in the camera. Sorry. It looks blue, but it's actually green. Like ice cream. One of the ice creams. I don't know what it's called. Mint chocolate chip. That's what it looks like. It doesn't look right in the camera, but it has the chocolate chips in it. But they just fell all out in the container. This has like almost the same texture as the purple slime. It's amazing.
Ninja Kids.
My brother's playing Ninja Kids. Okay, I'm going to do one of these questions that my brother has asked me a lot of times. He has asked me, who's my favorite YouTuber? Jackson, come here. Jackson. Okay, guys, so my brother has asked me this. Mommy,
What?
have you ever asked me who's my favorite YouTuber?
Nope. Who's your favorite?
My favorite YouTubers are JoJo Siwa, Shot of the Acres, Just For Girls, Ninja Kids, and Kids Fun TV.
Cool.
Those are my favorite YouTubers. And the shares. Steven share, Carter share, Liz share, I don't know all the shares names, but these are all the ones I know. I know Steven. Wait, Grace share too. Grace, Steven, Carter, Liz, Stove,
What?
Ryan,
This one. Yeah.
John. Those are all the shoes I know. So,
I'm gonna run these under warm water for a minute, so I feel you run it.
if you guys like my channel, if you guys like this video, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Well, I didn't tell you the name for this one if you want. This one's called the green slime. And if you want green slime and a lot of people comment, I will break it in pieces like this. And I have tons of these green slimes. So yeah. And if you want the cloud slime, I can also do the same thing. Same with this one. Same with this one. So, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and comment below what I should do for my next video. Slime out.